Hey, what's up guys? Today, I'm diving into the Oppo Find X6 Pro. A lot of buzz has been circulating around this phone, so let's find out if it's worth the hype. First things first, the display. This beast boasts a 6.82-inch AMOLED screen that's 17.3 centimeters for those who prefer metric. And let me tell you, the colors and brightness on this thing are just stunning. It's got a resolution of 3200 x 1440 pixels, so everything looks crisp and vibrant. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. Yeah, the latest and greatest from Qualcomm. This, combined with the Adreno 740 GPU, means it handles everything you throw at it like a champ. Now let's talk RAM. The Oppo Find X6 Pro comes with two options, 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM. And for storage, you've got 256 GB or 512 GB. Plenty of space for all those apps, photos, and videos. Speaking of videos, the camera setup on this phone is something else. On the back, you've got a triple camera system, a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 13MP telephoto lens. It's got all the bells and whistles, optical image stabilization, 4K video recording, and even some cool new AI features. Selfie lovers, you're not left out. The front camera is a whopping 32MP, perfect for those sharp, detailed selfies. Battery life? No worries there. It packs a 5000 mAh battery, and with the 65W SuperVOOC fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in about 35 minutes. Crazy, right? Alright, colors and variants. The Oppo Find X6 Pro comes in three stunning colors, black, blue, and orange, and it's available in two variants based on the RAM and storage combinations I mentioned earlier. Now, the big question, how much does it cost? The starting price is around $1,200. Yeah, it's on the higher end, but with all these premium features, it's definitely a contender in the flagship segment. So, is it worth the hype? If you're looking for a phone that combines cutting-edge tech, killer performance, and gorgeous design, the Oppo Find X6 Pro is definitely worth considering. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one, TechDevil. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest tech updates and reviews. See you next time.